How to find ask before download settings on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find ask before downloads settings on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser, and here you will find these three lines here in the bottom corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find sites and downloads, and here you will find this one here. Click on it, ask before downloads. You can turn it on or off just by one click, and that's how to find ask before downloads settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.